Want to master your sleep and stress? Fitbit just dropped a game-changing update for the Versa 5 2, adding advanced sleep apnea detection and stress monitoring. It's trending big among health buffs on X. Stick around to see how this upgrade transforms your wellness game. What's good, wellness fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. It's April 2025, and Fitbit is leveling up the Versa 5 with a free software update that brings advanced sleep apnea detection and stress monitoring. This drop has got X users buzzing about better sleep insights and calmer days. We've been testing it, so let's dive into what's new and why you need to update ASAP. So what's in this Fitbit Versa 5 update? First, advanced sleep apnea detection uses the Versa 5's SpO2 sensor and heart rate monitor to track blood oxygen drops and heart rate fluctuations overnight. If it spots potential apnea events like breathing pauses, you'll get a morning alert in the Fitbit app with a sleep health report. It's not a medical diagnosis, but it's a huge clue to talk to your doctor, especially since 80% of sleep apnea cases go undiagnosed. The stress management score 0 to 100 is back, now enhanced with continuous EDA sensor readings to detect stress responses all day, not just during workouts. You'll see stress triggers like work or caffeine, plus guided breathing exercises to chill out. The update also refines sleep stage tracking, light, deep, REM with better accuracy, leveraging HRV data for a detailed sleep score. All this syncs to the Fitbit app for trends over weeks. Why is this trending? X users are loving the sleep apnea detection, with posts like, "Finally, a tracker that flags my breathing issues." The Versa 5's SpO2 and HRV combo gives insights rivaling the Apple Watch 10's FDA-cleared apnea alerts, but at a lower $249 price point. The stress management score is a hit for catching sneaky stressors. One user said it flagged a stressful meeting they didn't even notice. Compared to the Versa 4, the update's continuous EDA is a big leap, though it needs a Fitbit Premium subscription, which is $9.99 per month for full reports. With 12-hour battery life and IP68 water resistance, the Versa 5 stays comfy for 24/7 tracking. This update makes it a wellness powerhouse for sleep and stress warriors. Alright, let's get you tracking. Picture your Versa 5. What's your vibe? Spotting sleep apnea risks with a morning alert? Calming down with a breathing session? Or nailing your sleep score? Drop your dream Versa 5 moment in the comments.